Hey everybody, Gina DeLuca here. Okay, I'm just gonna use up some of this paint that I've got here. Some leftover paint. That got a little thick on me there. I am using the Liquitex Heavy Body Phthalo Blue green shade, deep magenta, and medium yellow. And I have, for my white, Artist Loft Flow Acrylic. And then, in a separate cup, I have the Artist Loft Flow Acrylic with a little bit of the Satin Enamels by DecoArt. I am going to put some paint in a cup, and then I'm going to lay down a little bit of a base coat. This is just the regular white. And now I will add some of the enamel. There's no silicone in anything. We're experimenting here. Let's see what happens. That is already selling, if you can see that. So I'm going to try like a flip cup with this and see what happens instead of doing the like churning pour, like a straight pour or a ring pour. I want to see how this paint reacts to just a flip cup. Well, it's definitely doing something. I think as we stretch, more things will happen. So now the question is, what do we want to accentuate and what do we want to get rid of? I'm not loving this. So let's push that out of the way. And it's also good to keep in mind that when you are going for cells without silicone or density cells, the more you stretch, the more likely you are to get said cells. You'll probably see them popping up over here as I stretch to this other corner. I'm still not loving what's happening over here. So I have to make an executive decision here. The problem I foresee with this side over here is these are all transparent paints. And this might just turn to mud when it dries. So we will have to accentuate what is happening over on the other side, on the lighter side. And also, I have found that when using the enamel paint, you really want to make sure that you don't leave too much paint on your canvas. Now I don't like what's happening here. I am very hard to please. right, well, you know, it's interesting. It's an interesting look. It was an experiment. We got two very different effects from one side to the other with the lacing, the white cloudiness on one side, and then the bolder colors on the other. I'm gonna bring you in for a close-up. Okay, here it is. It's interesting. I like the purple behind those cells there. I do like that. This down here is just kind of, ooh, what happened? Oh dear. Okay, well. But this over here is really pretty. We'll see what happens. Maybe it'll dry super cool. What does it look like? Is that cracking? What's going on there? It looks like cells are trying to pop up, or it's cracking again. I've used this enamel paint before and it cracked. I mean, I've made this, I stretched it as much as I could. Okay, here it is. Didn't change much. That's good news. Those little specks are still there, but they didn't get bigger. Not really sure what was the culprit of that. I may have to add a professional pouring medium. Perhaps the Floetrol is not enough. But we do know that you can get cells by using that stuff in a flip cup with no silicone. So, there it is. All right, you guys, please like and share and subscribe and all that good stuff. Do check out the description box below for links to my PayPal tip jar if you feel so inclined. My Amazon store, where if you enter through that link, anything that you purchase off the entire site of Amazon, I make a small commission of at no additional cost to you. There's my website, GinaDeLuca.net. Pop on over there. Check out my paintings that I have for sale. Also, my CDs. You can get them there. You can do digital download or get a physical CD. And go make some art. Join us on Facebook, our Facebook group. Post your masterpieces. Ask your questions should you find yourself in a painting pickle. And just to get some inspiration. All right, you guys, that's it for me. I hope you have a beautiful day. Now go make some art.